Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica, Techno-Computa. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete the volumes you have created. The disk partitions you have made, so we have to delete and then combine them in order to make up a single disk. So go to the my PC and then right click on it and then go to manage. Once you go to manage, so you can go to disk management. So another alternative way to come to this manage option is you need to go to file explorer and then click on this PC, and here you will get manage option. Just single click on it. So once you come up to this manage computer management, so just single click on disk management. So let me go to file explorer and show. Suppose you want to delete this volume, so if you right click on it, you won't get any option here to delete. So in order to delete this volume, we have to go to this manage what I have showed earlier. So if you see clearly here, there are three disk partitions: disk C, D and K. So you can see here disk C, D and K, and green line here shows is this D and K disk are combined together, which means the disk K is being derived from this K disk. So in order to delete this disk K, so what you need to do is see whether any file or anything is there in that particular disk. So in my this disk I have one folder named CAD. First what I have to do is first I have to remove this and paste it anywhere in the PC so that this file will be backed. So once you do that, after that you just come here disk K and then right click on delete volume and click on yes. Okay, and the volume has been deleted. Now if you go to file explorer and see, there is no volume under the name K. So this free space, now we can't use this in order to use this free space, so you need to click on the disk from which it is been derived. So now here from D disk it has been derived, so I'll click on disk D and then I'll click on extend volume and click on next, and I'll click on next and click on finish. So as you can see, the 1023 MB, which means 1 GB free space were there, so it has been combined with the disk drive D. So in this way you can delete the volume. Thank you for watching.